Today guys, we're off to Knott's Berry Farm in Buena Park, California to ride some very extreme rides. This will be the most extreme theme park I have been to so far. So, keep yourselves tuned in, watch in HD because you are watching Florence Ballard A3060, the channel made in loving memory of the original Supreme Florence Ballard and Hoover's first 1100 RPM washing machine, the A3060 Electronic 1100.
Let's take your car and do Amusement Parks USA. At Palisades and Southbury Parks, the roller coasters are flying. At Euclid Beach on the flying turns, I'll bet you can't keep from smiling. Buy your girl a cotton candy while you're down.
This is Monday, 4th of June, 2018. As promised in the last vlog of arriving in California, I said today we'll be doing Knott's Berry Farm. This is a theme park, actually not just any theme park, it was America's first theme park in Buena Park, California, Southern California. It's got very extreme rides there. Now we all know, also in the UK, many people are used to Alton Towers, Thorpe Park, Chessington World of Adventures, even Oakwood in Wales, and like Blackpool Pleasure Beach. This is unlike anything I'd ever been to. I mean, I've been to ones in Australia, in the Gold Coast, in Brisbane. You know, Dreamland. No, it's DreamWorld, isn't it? DreamWorld, that's it. MovieWorld. But this is like America's, I'd say, has got the most extreme roller coasters I've ever seen. This will be like, oh god, there's like Silver Bullet here. That'd be on my first wooden roller coaster today. I think, was it Judge Roy Scream? I think no, not Judge. No, that's Six Flags Over Texas. What's that wooden one they got here? Ghost Rider. That's it. There's a whole YouTube video about the history of Knott's Berry Farm, but it was actually a farm owned by Walter and Cordelia Knott, their name was, and they have a chicken dinner restaurant which is original, and they added rides for guests. It slowly built up. The iconic ride, though, the signature ride of Knott's Berry Farm is Accelerator. Basically, it's like Stealth at Thorpe Park, same height, slightly faster, 82 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds, but Stealth is 0 to 80 in 1.8. But Accelerator is the world's first Intamin hydraulic launch coaster. Now, as I don't know if you know about me, I do have my obsession for roller coasters as well, like about I have for washing machines and aviation. I do know like a lot of the technical things about roller coasters. An Accelerator, the ride goes up the top hat from the left, whereas normally Intamin AG coasters go from the right, like Stealth, Top Thrill Dragster, King Dakar, etc. But unlike those rides, this doesn't come off the top hat and then straight into the brake run. This goes round to like overbank turns and then into the brake run. But apparently people say this is better than Top Thrill Dragster. Obviously that's 120 miles an hour. King Dakar's 128 because it was the world's fastest roller coaster, but it's now the world's tallest coaster only. That we'll do one day. We'll do Cedar Point as well. And there's like Supreme Scream here. I like that. It's like a launched drop tower when it comes back down. There's a lot of stuff here. There's water rides, just what you need on a, you know, in California, a hot day. So as I said, I've dressed summery today. Actually, you get a better view here of what I'm wearing. There you are. Got my Apple Watch on, but I will take that off. Oh, Supremes, I'll take it off by the time we get there. It's open until 2000 hours. So sorry, there's been a backlog of all the vlogs, as I've said. It's not been easy here, especially that huge one that I've been trying to do for for when I arrived here from the UK. But yeah, today it's a bit overcast, a bit with some cloud, but it is very warm out there. I can feel it. So yeah, we're just waiting for Princess to arrive in a Uber pool, and then we shall be off. I've got my ticket on my phone, so yeah, we'll get ready to go. So we're on our way now, guys. And let me tell you, I'm nervous as hell. I just realised I haven't been on a big roller coaster for the last 4 years. I'm just looking out for Xcelerator. I'm looking forward to it though. Oh look, there's a pair of shoes.
Parachuters?
Yeah, look. Nike.
I don't see them.
Or Nike.
Using the left 3 lanes, keep left.
Thank God this camera's got optical image stabilising. Because otherwise you'd be seeing my hands actually shaking.
Yeah, I've been looking at my footage. I'm like, okay, I need to learn how to walk with the camera.
Yeah, see, I used to do that. Just point it at the floor when I was filming. I had a bad habit of doing that. Or the old cameras which don't have that stabiliser, I just shake the camera all over the place. It was one of those small, it was like one of the handheld ones like that, so literally it'd be like going all over the place with it. I'm used to normally putting it on a tripod though. That's the thing, a lot of my videos are done on a tripod, so.
I wonder what hotel we stayed in when we went to Disneyland. I was like 6 years old.
Must be one round here, isn't it?
No, it was near Disneyland.
That's a nice little place.
Backsist. We're pulling up to the park in a second.
Downtown. I just saw a sign for downtown. Oh my god, this place looks nice actually.
Do we have what? I have Gmail.
Wax Museum, that's where it is.
Yeah, mine is, yeah.
Oh yes, look at all that.
They're building a Starbucks right here.
Oh,
Yep.
there's Silver Bullet, Supreme Scream,
Quarter mile, keep right on Grand Avenue.
I think it's Pudgy Bear.
Accelerator.
Wait, hang on. What?
Oh yeah, there's that new ride, Sonic, what's it called again? Hang Time.
We are pulling up to Knott's Berry Farm. There it is, right there. The sign.
There's Accelerator, please be open.
There's a little Ferris wheel thing right here.
Oh no, there's the Supreme Scream. Oh, that's scary there. That Ferris wheel's really scary.
This Ferris wheel is scary? Oh dear.
I'm just waiting for it. I'm just waiting.
I'm afraid of this. What?
What's happening?
We were vlogging.
I'm just waiting for Accelerator to go up.
Well, Brandon still is.
I'm just trying to catch Accelerator. Okay, now I'm realising how tall Accelerator really is.
What?
What?
Why'd she spell it out?
S-P-O-O-P-Y.
Spooky.
Spoopy. What?
Ah, there's a wooden roller coaster there. That's Ghost Rider.
I'm still waiting on a train for Xcelerator.
With Accelerator, you can actually hear the launch cable though. It goes like that. We are in Knott's Berry Farm. Is it? We are doing a wooden roller coaster first. I've never ever done one. It's called Ghost Rider.
Oh, here's the entrance right here.
Oh bugger. I am nervous.
That's it.
I'm nervous. Yeah. But I'm happy.
Oh boy.
Let's just get this. I won't be able to take you on the ride, guys. I haven't got my camera with me, but this is just what it looks like. Please, Florence, be with us. Here we go. Look, comes out of here first. So you will get pulled down that drop. Oh, you're exposed at the side as well. Then it goes up the lift hill. This here. Oh, the lift chainless. Just got off Ghost Rider. Oh my god, it was the most intense roller coaster I've ever been on. Chocolate cake. Yeah. That was scary though. That was truly intense ride. We're now queuing for Silver Bullet, a B&M in suspended looping coaster. There's a hang time. I'm not nervous for this one though. I think that Ghost Rider sort of like set it going.
Nervous about this one?
Not really.
No.
I've been on ones like this, but it's obviously higher and faster than any of the other ones I've been on. That's what I like, feed angle. But that I will be, and that and Accelerator.
You know, now that I looked at it, it doesn't look so bad to me.
What does?
Hang time. It doesn't look too bad.
Probably just be that first drop. That's the most intense part. And it's just loop. It's just like. And after this, I'm going to get me a funnel cake.
Oh yeah, I can't
I'm
wait.
so hungry right now.
I cannot wait. Someone's got to sit in another rock.
I might try to go late nights in and out.
Sorry. What?
I might actually do a late night in and out.
I think they're open 24 hours.
It's open.
I think.
You should. If it is, you shouldn't have told me that. Cause
We're gonna wake up in the middle of the night and hop over there.
Accelerator is like behind that way, so I can't see that, but it is operating. I'm wondering what that is there. That. Please wait for operator. Oh, is it the railway? I think it's the train.
Oh, it is?
I think.
Oh, the station's right there. I think.
No.
That's not the train.
Rio Grande, Denver and Rio Grande Western. Oh, there's hang time by the way. Drop through 97-degree drop. I think that's a Norwegian loop. Right, so we're getting on Montezuma's Revenge now.
Yeah.
A Schwarzkopf loop, shuttle loop, that's what it is, because it's not a complete circuit. Because it loops, goes up, rolls back, and you go backwards through a loop. I've never done that before. So let's figure out where the entrance for that beast is. I think it's around here, isn't it? Yeah, that's shaped like a cobra's head.
Yeah, it is.
That's why they call it a cobra roll.
Yeah, it does look cool.
I just love.
I want to put that tech in there. So Brandon here just told me that the reason this is called a cobra roll is because it looks like a cobra's head.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
It's a half loop, 2 half loops and 2 half corkscrews together.
Now I get it.
And that there, everyone would think that's an inversion. That up there is called an overbank turn.
Which one is it?
What's that?
Which is the over?
This one here. That's called an overbank turn because it doesn't go upside down, but it banks past 90 degrees.
Okay. That is an overbank turn.
Oh, what's that? Oh, that's that spinning one. Oh no, that's the short spot. That's Montezuma's Revenge. That looks rock as hell. It sort of is like Mr. Freeze.
Yeah.
Actually, Mr. Freeze is the same thing as that, I think. So you see the brakes go down, the brakes are still up. Roll back, come on, roll. That looks intense as fuck. Right guys, look, we just did that. That was insane. Hangs you up there for 6 seconds, and then we're going up and everyone's shouting like, we're going to heaven.
We're going to heaven.
Now though, we are doing the ultimate. Oh, right entry this way.
Oh cool, right here.
I love the sound the pulley makes as it goes past. We are going to be blasted 0 to 82 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds, up 205 foot.
Oh, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be doing this.
This is the one ride I came here for. Accelerator.
I'm pretty sure this won't break down. We haven't made any since
And I just heard what that kid said. Hopefully this one won't break down. Guys, we have just done Accelerator. This was the one ride I came here for. And I tell you something, that bloody takeoff. I felt like I dislocated every bone in my body when it came down that drop. And I purchased I've got my on-ride photo as well. You might get a better view of it. That view, I did get a bit of the view. Here we go, it's going again. So, guys, thank you very much for watching this vlog. It was brilliant, best park I've ever been to. Keep it supreme and
Very, very exciting.
go with the flow.